How to change email on Etsy. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can change email on Etsy, so kindly watch till the end. Now, if you're in a position or a situation where you urgently need to change your email address that you used to register on Etsy, just sit through so that you would not miss any important information. The first step is to sign in into Etsy, and once you're signed in and you've seen your home page, the next step is to move to the top right side of the screen where you can see some icons such as favorite, updates, shop manager, your account. So once you see this, click on your account. Once you've clicked on your account, in the box displayed you'll see options like purchases and reviews, messages, special offers, Etsy, registry, account settings. Once you see account settings, click on it. Once you click on account settings, you'll be brought to the account page. On this account page, you see a menu displaying some tabs which include account security, public profile, preferences, privacy, addresses, etc. Once you see all of this, you can just scroll down until you see email. So this is it. This is where we are heading to. Yeah. So once you're on this page, you can see email, current email, confirmed, that is if your email has been confirmed, and then the next step is to input your new email. All right, once you input your new email here, click on confirm email by inputting the same email address that you input as a new email here, then input your password and then click on change email, and then once you do that, the email will be changed automatically. It's that simple. And then you might be asked to enter in a security code sent to the new email. Just check your email, enter in the code, and once you're done, once the verification is complete, the email will be changed just like that. It is very simple, right? Thanks for watching and have a nice day.